What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another mouse review for iPad featuring iPadOs. This time we're looking at the Razer Mamba Wireless. I've heard a lot of things about this. Let's check it out.
For all time's sake.
So I've heard a lot of people talking about the Razer products. I've never had one, so I decided to give it a try. Now, this thing is a little pricey, guys. This thing comes in at about $100, but it's untethered, unleashed, and it says it's unstoppable. So we will try that out and we will see. Now, a few key features about this is extended battery life, up to 50 hours on a single charge, which that's awesome battery life. You got 7 programmable buttons. You get a true 16,000 DPI optical sensor. So it's gonna be really fast with your swiping, really gonna be really precise. Everything that you need to do is gonna work, or it should work. I mean, especially for that price point. So let's go ahead and get this thing open.
As time goes by. Been a long time.
Now, this is it. Peel the tape off. Move all this. So this is what you get on the inside. You get, this is your charging cable right here, and we are down bottom. We got a unifying receiver. If you can see that USB, micro USB port right there. This is your charger, like I said earlier. This is what you're gonna use to charge it with. It should already have some power to it out of the pack. Yep, out of the pack it's got power. So let's put the bottom back on here. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and turn all my settings on. Touch, assistive touch back on so that my mouse will work. Flick that away. Put all this to the side. Unifying receiver. Now it's not Bluetooth, so we gotta use what we got. Bluetooth. Unifying receiver goes there. Plugs in. Oh, we gotta turn it back on. That might help. Turning it back on, and there we go. So now, earlier today I went into my assistive touch and I changed some settings. So let's go back in here, and I want to slow this track speed down because it seems like the track speed is a little too fast on here. All right. All right. Okay, let me try one thing because it looks like this adapter may not be plugged in all the way, or something may be wrong. Let's try that. Plug it back in. And I think this one's gonna be a no-go, guys. So if you see the mouse, it's not accurate at all. I'm gonna go and change track speed all the way down. So track speed is all the way down. Yeah guys, this one is going to definitely be a no-go. So every mouse that I've worked with so far is just either you connect it and it just works, or you plug it in and it just works. But this one, there is a huge lag. I don't know if it's the unifying receiver, but there's a huge lag. Buttons click well, but as far as just moving the mouse itself, big lag on here. Yeah, this one, yeah, see, this one's gonna be a no-go, guys. So the and I like it. It looks cool. I mean, it's glowing and everything. But as far as doing anything that you really need to do, you're not going to be able to just click and point. And I slowed the trackpad all the way down. I slowed it down, the tracking speed all the way down. Let's see what happens when I turn it all the way up. Oh, it just goes crazy when you turn it all the way up. Okay, so one more test I want to try out on this is seeing if you can actually play a game. So I'm not gonna try to get a game going with this. Gamepad disconnected. So yeah, you're not gonna be able to play games. Let's try. We're gonna at least try it. I'm gonna just tap to get there. It's gonna be a whole lot easier. Okay, so yeah, it's not even picking up that I have a mouse. Let's just see though. Maybe it will impress me. Let's see. Okay. Oh, well, took me back home. Let's go back out. Resume. Okay, let's see if we can control the car with the mouse. Well, at least the nitro works. Okay. Okay, so don't waste your money. 99 bucks. Don't do it. This is the Razer Mamba Wireless. It is not working with iPadOs. If somebody has a way to get this to work, just shoot me a comment below. But as of right now, this ain't it. So save your money. Trust me. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.